What's good? What's good? Good morning. It's currently 8:54 a.m. Eastern. I'm reporting here from the sunny South Florida offices of Patrick Whelan and Patrick Whelan and Associates, the number one day trading firm on YouTube. What's up? What's good? So big news today. I don't know if it's big news, but big news for all the Shopify owners, everybody who owns Shopify. You know what's crazy? I'll admit it. I'll admit that I had over 1,000 shares of Shopify. 1,000 shares of Shopify that I bought back in 17. I bought a bunch of Shopify back in 2017, or actually 2016. 2016, bought a bunch of Shopify. It ended up going up a little bit. I made a little profit. But now it's currently at $547. God. Shopify. I feel like Shopify is one of those stocks that I don't know. Maybe I don't really see people talking about it a lot. Like, it's not like Tesla where everyone's always talking about Tesla. But no one's really I don't know. Do people talk about Shopify? Am I just like, I just don't notice it? I don't know. Shopify now currently at $550. It's up 11% currently. It's up 11% currently. Wow. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Beautiful. So, let's talk about what's happening today in the markets. Let's just talk about it. Right now, it seems like the overall market's pointing towards a green open. The SPY gapping up big again this morning. So right now we're taking a look at the overall markets. But right now looking like the SPY is green. Gonna push up here. Futures are green. Everything's looking green right now. But yeah, man. Shopify, just beautiful. It's just beautiful. So big news. It sounds like the coronavirus is mutating. But not biologically, statistically. China talking about how they had a huge drop in daily rate of new infections. No one really knows what's going on in China. Like, I don't know if China even knows what's going on there. So there was some news that in China they had less infections on Tuesday, but outside of China there was news that there were more infections. So I don't know if China just likes to always cook the books or what, but hey, they've got something going on. And also the China Formula 1 Grand Prix has been canceled. So looks like coronavirus really taking on a type of questionable things. Also today or yesterday, I guess Bernie Sanders won the New Hampshire Democratic primary, but yeah, I mean, let's be honest, people. There's no way in hell that Bernie Sanders is ever going to be president. Just putting it out there. If you're a Bernie supporter, you might as well go ahead and dislike this video and go ahead and just cancel out, because you ain't gonna do it. He ain't gonna do it. I have a better chance of becoming a millionaire from shorting Shopify than Bernie Sanders has a chance of becoming president of the United States. This is what I'm putting out there. So like I said, right now, futures looking green. The market's looking green. Everybody looking green. And we got some big news today. We had CVS. We had Lyft earnings today. Some stuff going on with Lyft. And we already talked about Shopify. It looks like a couple other stocks as well reporting as well. CVS and things like that. OPEC also talking about that they believe that the coronavirus will hurt oil sales. I don't know. I guess maybe that, I don't know. Maybe there's something going on there. So like I said, Lyft coming out with bad news today. I guess they didn't revise their guidance in line with Uber's. So looks like Lyft taking a hit today. Let's take a look at the gappers today. That's pretty much the news. Not much else going on in terms of economical news. It's about to be 9 a.m. here on Eastern 9 a.m. So what do we got? Right now we got AIM. AIM was yesterday. Yesterday it was on the gapper list. Today it's on the gapper list again. Pretty much saying, I'm going to go ahead and just say that AIM is a non-event just go ahead and not worry about AIM because, yeah, I mean, it's just not going to do anything for us. Let's take a look at what else is popping up there. TRXYE, we got ALNA. Not a lot of low float gappers this morning, but we'll take a look at them here and talk about some stocks that are making big moves today. All right. So, what else we got going on here? We've currently got TRXC pre-market high. Yesterday, somebody left a really nasty comment. Somebody left a comment and said that I don't actually talk about anything. All I do is just blurt out numbers and just say ticker symbols. Well, I don't know if that guy doesn't speak English or not, but I thought I talked pretty clearly about some ideas here. So I'm going to break it down real simple for everybody out there who doesn't understand English. TRXC. That's the stock we're currently looking at. Here's my technical analysis for TRXC. Are you ready? I know that guy is watching. Are you ready? Get ready. Here's my technical analysis. TRXC currently trading here at $1.46. You can see consolidating there. We've got the EMAs. We got the 20 EMA, the yellow line being the 9 EMA. So right there, consolidating across that $1.46 area. We got a pre-market high. Right now, pre-market high there at $1.79. And we got 1.2 million shares traded so far. It's showing that TRXC has 240,000 shares in the float. I'm not sure that's correct. I don't know. Is that correct? I don't know. I can't believe that's correct. But hey, if it's correct, it's correct. So here's my technical analysis for you. If TRXC can't hold this $1.45 area, like right now, it's not holding it. If it can't hold it, it's probably going to be done for the day. And look at it. All right, it's got to hold at minimum. It's got to hold that $1.40 area. It's got to hold that $1.40 area at minimum here on TRXC. If it can't hold $1.40, it's done. It's gone, and I ain't worried about it. So, like I said, $1.40 area, it's got to hold $1.45. Got a little bit of resistance right now at $1.50. So, there you go. That's my technical analysis of TRXC. If it can push back above $1.50, we'll look for a push up here to the pre-market highs. Over pre-market highs, you can see we really don't have much in terms of resistance until probably like the whole dollar there at $2 and they're at $2.55. So there you go. Technical analysis for everybody out there who doesn't understand technical analysis. Dun, dun, dun. So somebody else asked about Microsoft this morning. I was actually looking at Microsoft here. I've been looking at this for maybe an options play. I don't know. What do you guys think? I'm thinking about maybe getting some puts. Some like 180 puts on Microsoft. Maybe look for a little spike here at open and look for like 180 puts with like 20 expiration, like next week expiration. So that's what I'm thinking. Anybody? Any geniuses in the chat right now thinking that might be a bad idea? 180 puts on Microsoft. I'm thinking if 180 right here can't hold, they've got like these gaps in the chart here. There's a pretty good chance what? Look at that $1.74 area, maybe no, not $1.74. 174 area, maybe like 168 area. Don't do it. Don't do it, you think? Oh, man. Okay, we'll see. We'll see what happens here at open. We're saying Microsoft's going to 191? Oh, come on. We'll see. What else are we looking at? Lyft. What's up with Lyft today? Lyft having a gap down today after earnings yesterday, going from 54 down there to 51 currently. It's getting a little bit of action on it right now. You can see that $50 area looking like some support there. Hey, David Rutner, longtime follower, first-time watcher. Thank you. Hey. Yeah, we already looked at AIM. AIM was a big mover yesterday. Had a very similar chart as today. Look at this thing. Gapping up there to the $1.72 area. Pulling back down there to $1 now. So same thing on both sides here on AIM. I wouldn't worry about it there. Yeah, I don't know. AIM yesterday had a big spike just like that up there at $1.70 and pulled back pretty quickly down there to $1. So I wouldn't worry about that. As long as AIM doesn't really do much here pre-market, we'll see. Yesterday, it had a big spike and then it sold off. Shopify up there, 550 right now. Just booming, baby, booming. To the moon. 552 right now. Bam, bam, bam. Thank you, ma'am. What's good? What's good, Shopify? Talk about, oh, it's painful. Look at this daily chart. Oh my gosh. It's painful. I owned Shopify back here in 2016. Back here in 2016. Oh God, hindsight's a bitch. Hindsight's a real bitch, isn't it? Oh man, talk about that. DTSS. What's up with DTSS? DTSS got 75,000 shares traded so far. It's currently up 40% up there to the 380 area. Look at it up there to 380 currently on the daily chart. You can see DTSS not really having a lot of volume normally. You got a couple million shares traded on these big spikes, but overall, normally on the daily, not much volume. So we'll see if we get some more volume here. 3.3 million shares on that last big spike back there in January. Currently have 88,000 shares traded. So pretty much you can expect a big pop here and then a big drop. So that's something to keep an eye out for here. DTSS, it's got 92,000 shares traded, still kind of low volume. An old fan favorite popping up on the Gapper list today. Look at that. Look what's on there. RIOT, Riot. Riot up there. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. What do I think about Sprint? I think Sprint's pretty, yeah, somebody already said it. Sprint's, I guess, done. I couldn't figure out the exact kind of financials for what Sprint was going to be trading at or what they were going to do, if they were going to absorb the shares or how that was going to work, how it was going to be priced. But I'm thinking that I'm guessing that the price of the merger is going to be around $8 or something there, because that's why the stock's been trading there at the 850 area now. I'm just putting it out there, right? That's probably what's happening. I'm no mathematician, but if I was, I would say that Sprint's kind of at that area now, the 850. I don't see Sprint going any higher from there. Right? There's already got to be kind of the news here. APWC. What's up with APWC this morning? Aaron Whittle. You like APWC? Only 1,000 shares traded. It's up 9%. Okay, interesting. I don't know what to tell you about that one, but hey, you gotta choose your own poison here sometimes. DTSS just popped up on the Gapper list now that it's got 100,000 shares traded. You can see there, right there, DTSS there, $3.70. Starting to push here. Let's look at the daily chart. Let's get some technical analysis going here. $5 kind of being the next resistance here for DTSS. I would say maybe $4 area. Kind of being the next whole dollar support there, resistance, or whatever you want to call it. So there we go. SPC, man, I've been I'm not going to lie. I've been having some FOMO here. I've been having some FOMO on SPC. Definitely been having some FOMO. Been looking for like a good pullback here, but we just have not really got a good pullback. Maybe that pullback from the 20 down there to 16 was the pullback, but this thing has just been booming lately. Kind of been following Tesla, I guess, is what's been happening there. But you can see space. This is Virgin SPC. This is Virgin Atlantic or Virgin Space or whatever you want to, Virgin Galactic, whatever you want to call it. They're basically making rocket ships or making space shuttles for space. Take people to space. Makes sense, right? SPC, space. So it's up right now from $7 back there in December. Now currently at $22.15. So beautiful move here on space. I remember actually, I think it was back there beginning of January, a couple people in the chat talking about SPCE, talking about that big move. So congratulations if you're still holding this stock. I definitely remember people talking about it in the live stream. So congrats to everybody out there who's now currently a millionaire. I promise you, one day, guys, one day I'm going to become a millionaire just from buying some stock and holding it overnight. It's going to happen. It's going to happen. I promise you. I think it is. DEAC. Here's another one. Stock Hedge. This is DraftKings FanDuel, right? Is that what that is? DEAC going from $10 back there in December, now up there to $16.90. Some action there on the chart. Indicators, I've got the 9 EMA and I got the 20 EMA on there. Pretty cool. All right, so looking at the gapper list one more time, what we've missed out on DTSS. Right there, DTSS, $3.57. AIM, everything we've already pretty much talked about so far today. If we look at futures, we look at the SPY today. Let's look at the SPY really quickly here. For anybody who's wondering, the SPY up there almost to record highs once again. Pushing up there, 337 area record highs here on the SPY. We'll see what happens if this thing's gonna want to rally today. Are we gonna get that new high, new record high, or are we gonna get that pullback? So obviously yesterday resistance was there at the 337 area. So obviously, I said obviously a couple times. Obviously, we are gonna be keeping a close eye on that 337 area. If you can't push through there, be looking for a short opportunity. Yeah, and all that fun stuff. So there it is. It's 9:10 in the morning. Been on here for about 20 minutes now. If you haven't already found out about some beautiful opportunities today, well, you've just been doing it wrong. I promise you. We talked about them, right? I think we did. We talked about all the opportunities today. But yeah, we'll see what happens. The market open. We got some good stuff coming today. Like I said, I'm gonna be leaving tomorrow. I'll be live tomorrow morning, one more day, and then I'll be gone for 4 days. I'm going to Portugal. Luckily, the market's closed on Monday anyway, but I'll be in Portugal filming big waves. It's supposed to be like 30 to 40 foot waves in Portugal this weekend. I'll be flying into Lisbon and then driving to Nazaré. If anyone from the live stream lives in Nazaré, Portugal, let's go have a beer. Anybody want to have a beer in Portugal? Let me know. I'll be there. It'd be kind of cool if somebody from the live stream lived in Portugal and wanted to take me out for a beer. We'll see what happens. There it is. All right. So there's the gappers today. DTSS, little pop and go here, and a couple other stocks moving around. Keep an eye on Shopify. Keep an eye on the overall markets. We got a lot of stuff popping up today. Big movers. Lots of money to be made. So there it is. If you guys haven't already, do one big favor. Hit that like button. We've only got 13 likes so far. What are you guys doing? You're slacking. There's 160 of you watching, but there's only 13 likes. Hit it. Hit that like button, baby. Help me help you. And if you guys haven't already, you're just now tuning in for the first time ever, don't be afraid to go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well. You know, it's free. It's free to subscribe. There you go. All right. So I'm out of here. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow morning. Hopefully you guys can all end up green today.